Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? Welcome in. I hope you all had an amazing weekend, and hopefully we can capitalize on this short week. The market will be closed Friday for the 4th. Good morning, good morning. If you have any questions, drop them. If you're watching this after live is over, post your questions in the comments. Just want to say I appreciate you all, and let's do this. So. Where you at, Jay Dunn? We need that screen share.
Hello, hello, hello. What's going on?
Good morning.
Hello, hello, hello.
Made you host, Jay Dunn. Any questions you have, YouTube, drop in chat. Gonna start focusing in more on these lives because the automated strategies is almost dropped. Then we can get back to making a bag together on here more often. Hopefully. But welcome in. ES had a Grisology had a nice trade on ES. Didn't quite hit the stop. Nice move down. I didn't catch this, but someone pointed this out to me during the Instagram live where we create the watch list. Oh. Good morning, everyone. Glad to be back with you all. I look forward to our lives. I'm going to read you all my... Actually, let me show you my watch list inside Team Bull so we're on the same page. It's pretty simple. This is what I'm looking for. Be watching the 30-minute orb as well. So if we don't hit any of these, 30-minute orb is what I'm watching.
Okay, guys, approaching to 825 and 818.
Do you all want me to let... Do you want me to let you know if Greg or Jaden take a trade?
Can you hear me well?
I can hear you, Greg.
All right.
All right, Keith, I got you.
Maybe I want to wait the touch of 818, so touch of 825. Go down to 818. If I see some kind of reversal, probably I'm going to take the longs. Probably I'm going to take the longs. Touching it 825 right now. Come on, go to 818. Come on, touch it.
Okay, there we go. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Let's go. What's up, Greg? What's up, Chris? What's up, Kimbo? Not
What's
no one
up?
talking to me. My mic was on mute, not actually on Zoom, but my mic itself on mute. What's up, everybody? What's up, White Tiger? Serena Madeline, Big Joe Trades, Louie.
Is Gene trading with you this morning?
What do you say, Grizzly?
Where's Gene at this morning?
Oh, Gene's here.
Nice.
Gene's here at the back.
Coach 818 now. Okay. Let's see. We get Alonso or Schultz.
I think Steve is going to be start out at 99 per month
What's your plan?
for the first like month or 2, 3. We'll see.
Reverse.
What's up, Jeremiah? Welcome, bro.
Welcome in,
4.5
everyone.
million.
Thank you for the thumbs up at top. It means a lot.
Okay, guys, now we
See if we can catch a
85,
trade.
818.
I will let you know if Jadon or Greg take a trade. So I will let you know. Steve, you cool with that?
He's playing hard with this level. He's playing really hard. With these two levels.
Good morning. Welcome in.
Thinkorswim is taking forever to load this morning.
Making an extra effort this week for you all. So if you have questions, whatever, just hit. Best place to reach me is on Instagram through my DMs, but I will answer on the comments here as well. So the inclusive. Steve, I'm gonna figure out how to make it. Give you all something special. I just haven't decided how to do that yet, but I assure you, you will get something
Come on.
special. So
Come on, TOS. Load already.
what's the video doing?
Literally is taking forever. It's been loading for 6 minutes now. Let's see if restarting that helps. Let's try that.
The video with a nice sell-off this morning. I like it.
It's never been the same since
We need a
the
nice
polish
pullback.
wall.
Let's be honest. We've been going straight up.
Taking NQ long, guys. NQ longs. NQ longs, QQ calls.
Greg entered NQ longs.
Mr. Greg.
Greg is in NQ longs. Remember this zone from the weekly watch list?
22830.
Nice.
22830 is his average, okay? 22830 on NQ longs. This is Greg's trade. It isn't mine.
Well, everyone had a great weekend, and a reminder, this week is a short week. We have 4th of July Friday. We have an early close on Thursday. It's a good week. As always, to choose discipline over dopamine.
Come on.
Nice
Come on,
trade.
TOS. Pop up, baby. Come on, baby girl.
Love seeing you all making money, whether it's shorts, longs, whatever it is.
Here we go. Now it's up.
There you go. You're in profits if you took the trade with Greg. Hopefully you see a move back up. Let me fix this where you can
What up,
see these.
Gene?
This would be a good trim spot in my opinion.
Where you going?
11 plus 10 points profit so far. I haven't trimmed yet and still holding.
Oh, he just goes there every morning, Luke. He don't live there. He just shows up to trade with them. It's kind of, I think, they have like a, they're just friends as well. So, they like trading together and stuff.
885.
And for those that wasn't in my Instagram live, I highly suggest you go watch the recording I posted on my Instagram. At least the first,
The video was
3 to 5
all
minutes.
overnight, too.
A little sneak peek of something on there. So
video with a little sell off overnight.
I'm gonna be trimming some here, guys.
Greg said he's trimming here, everyone. He trimmed his position here. Stops, move to entry.
Okay, run us to public here. I'm gonna do one trim.
It is.
Maybe I'm gonna re-enter again. So already one green
Trade's over there, but looks like it wants more upside. Good morning. This purple is a zone for my weekly watch list, everyone. So.
Entry 825 this time.
Greg did re-enter longs, everyone, but I don't recommend it. If you made money off that first trade, let's wait and be patient. Market closed on Friday. Yes, Luke. It is the 4th of July. No trading for me at all. Oh, does it fine line? I didn't know that. That is new to me. I didn't know if it closed early. I didn't know it closed early on Thursday. This is the bounce zone, everyone. If we bounce, I was wanting a little lower for entry, but it seems to me that it may bounce before we get to my actual level for my watch list. We'll see. I'm not taking a trade. If I take one, I will let you all know very clearly. That previous 5-minute candle tells me nothing, though, as far as direction. Appreciate that, Rambo. You can go to grizzlytrades.com, check out Take Profit, one of the best in the game. Use code Grizzly.
My stop loss is 812. 22812.
No, not right here, Patrick. Grizzology may confirm here because, you know, the criteria on Grizzology is based off my strategy, but sometimes I will overrule it. You know, I'll let you all know on here live if I do. Just looking, I want a little lower for my entry for longs. We could push down. This could print, right? Grizzology could be right. You know, it triggers, the trend part triggers below pre-market low with the volume and delta confirming. See, it can go away, so you have to wait on the close. But if you're a Grizzology subscriber to my indicator, I put a brand new user guide inside the Grizzology WAP community, so check that out. It's very detailed. I think you all will love it. So, and if you're not a part of Grizzology, you're always feel free to try it out.
Yeah, it's Mr. Gene.
I highly recommend you read the user guide though, even if you've been there the entire time. What is this level I'm watching here? Let's go to the hourly.
Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag.
You say you was sending me a money bag.
What?
You say you're sending me a money bag.
Yeah, send you some money bags.
Send it.
Got you, bro.
Can barely afford the sushi anymore. $22,780 is the area I start looking for a bounce on NQ, everyone.
What is that?
22,780 area.
I like a little lower. I like 750.
Well, I got a zone down to 740, but I would like
Yeah.
us to close above that 780 from an entry.
I like a little lower, but I like that same area you're watching. So we're on the same page there.
See the 50. We got an hourly fair value gap there, and the middle is 22,780. We also have previous day close at 22,740. And price action, confirms this for possible demand. So I'm gonna watch. See if we can get some aggressive buying in that area.
I'm gonna watch 750 for a bounce as well. It's a short week, so I'm gonna be a little more risk cautious. I was planning on slightly sizing up this week, then I realized it was a short week.
Yeah, guys, looking to re-enter again here. Huh? This could be my last trade. 1 green, 1 red. 1 green, 1 red. Let's see. Moment of truth.
Rambo, let me think about that one. It's a good. That's a challenging topic, so I don't want to give you a direct answer right now and lie to you. So let me think. I'm pretty sure taking all the IQ tests over the weekend messed with my brain. Some of them are just weird. Like, I don't know. We was talking about them in Instagram Live. Took me forever to find one that was, from what people tell me, was legit. Welcome in, everyone. Any questions you have, drop in chat. No, Dexter, I don't think they would. We can ask them though, Dexter. See.
Got our opening range formed. I have to draw that out. My apologies.
Hope it says I'm a genius. No, my scores were like 130s. The high one was 137.
All of our levels. We got our pre-market low and 15-minute high and low staggered again.
Check that out. What, Jaden? Why are you looking a little bit lower? Are you looking at the gap fills on the SPY and
What do you say, bro?
Why are you What's making you look a little lower for your entry? Are you looking at the gap fills on SPY and QQQ, or?
I personally like the hourly demand on there at 750 and that whole site number, but I can see what you're looking at totally with that fair value gap.
Yeah.
I don't think it's bad. I'll probably just wait a little longer. That may result in me missing the move too. We'll see.
Nice.
With PLTR, we're just gonna massive move down so I could buy more.
Didn't know Jaden held PLTR.
Looking price action, just you take the shorts. Y lo de fuera huele a plano.
What's up, Steve? What are you asking? The win rate? I got 3 coming out. The automated strategies. 2 for NQ and 1 for GC. And I have an indicator coming out with them as well. So you get four things in the drop. The indicator is more like a assistant, day trading assistant for ETF stocks, futures. 2 of the strategies are for NQ 5 minute, and 1 is for GC gold futures 5 minute. The orb strategy's got like insane win rate. I'll show you all during the drop. The scalping strategy is solid for NQ.
So tempted to take the shots, but
You know, more. I feel like it's more for like building a base and you're funded, so you don't. You know, if you're trying to build a base, so you don't hit the drawdown. The gold one's solid as well, so we'll talk about it more when I drop. Antonio, I just like the 30-minute orb anymore. It's just works out better for me. Nothing wrong if you still trade the 15-minute orb. You may have a better edge than myself. So yeah, this will be the last week to get on the waiting list for the drop. Everyone, probably last few days. You can find that in the Bears Den channel on my Instagram.
I'm waiting for short confirmation.
I might post it one more time. I'm not for sure.
yeah, me too.
Have a ton of people on it.
All I have my eyes on right now is the shorts.
Oh. Everyone's looking at shorts. I'm not sold on shorts. Not sold on the shorts.
I would like to
Try
see
the
more
light side of the
pesos.
shorts, everybody.
Jay done tried shorts, everyone. On NQ.
809.
I told you all I'd tell you. 809's his average. I'm not in the shorts. I hope they print, but I'm waiting for.
Closes 5 minute up. My max risk on this is above 830, so I have 21 points. Maximum.
His stop loss is 830. It will be for TradingView. I want further down for longs. I'm looking for a long entry, not a short, everyone.
Only did a few micros, guys, for the third size. So
You're basically full ported.
Down 11 points. If it closes candle up here, I'll likely to stop it early, but I have a hard stop at 830. And I won't be adding either. Won't be adding either. You didn't enter. This would be the area. You could stop above 830.
Print for him. Print. YouTube, real quick. You all want to see a quick glimpse of the dashboard? This is the first model. But do you want to see a quick glimpse of the dashboard on the indicator that's coming with the strategies?
Won't be looking great.
All right, I'm just gonna like turn my phone. So here's the dashboard. It will look a little different. Still finalizing.
Okay, we'll see.
This is the indicator. So it's a quick glimpse there. Let's get back to trading.
I'm gonna keep my stop now above this.
No trades for me yet.
Move my stop up a little bit. So I will get stopped.
So from the indicators, tell me to wait on trades here.
It's 820
Sideways. So let's see.
So 12 points. We might rip up, and then we can find another, or I can find it. You can manage AC Fit, but I'll find another entry if we fail that low again.
I definitely am a tease.
I just don't want to get caught in an aggressive push up when it doesn't technically follow my initial plan. It just stopped me on that move up. So basically break even in terms of P&L. About $200 so far. It's all right.
I'm confused. Is Jaden's doing this?
Points to around 12. We broke that candle high. I'm personally not in it anymore. We might flush down. We can maybe look for a re-entry if we flush below 806. But I'm keeping it very chill on a Monday. I know my stats for Monday. I know they're historically not my best days, so we're going to keep it real light.
Keep in mind, everyone, on Mondays, even people you trade with sometimes, everyone has flaws, messes up.
It is what it is.
One thing I know, people can be a little...
As long as that loss is within your parameters, that's cool.
A little over-eager to take trades, so we always have to take that in consideration.
It's oversized, and it's too big, and it's stressing you out.
I'm not talking about Team Bull, I'm just talking about in general, ourselves.
That's no bueno. You don't want that.
Like me, I'm not even logged in to my broker yet. I'm just waiting, being patient. I want to see if we can get some solid confirmation closer to my levels.
Testing NQ short, guys. NQ shorts. NQ shorts. Entry 814. That's it.
Greg said he's in shorts as well. I'm just not seen it yet. We got a Fed speaker. I didn't see that on the agenda today.
Nice.
Real quick, YouTube. You see the thumbs up at the top of the screen if you're on your phone, the thumbs up? Let's get them to 100. They're at 56. Shouldn't take just a second. Appreciate you all. Just do it real quick. Take the time, do it, be done with it. If you don't do it, 3 years of bad luck. I don't make the rules. Don't be mad at me. I'm just playing. We are in demand here. That's why I'm not shorting. This is my demand from my weekly watch list. If you still watch my watch list on YouTube, purple zone you're looking at is weekly, or it's hourly demand, but it's my demand from weekly watch list.
Gonna stay patient, wait, guys. Nothing new for me. Tried the traditional orb on the move and just didn't work out. So say 7 out of 10 times that will work out. This was just one of those that didn't, and managed it accordingly.
Bounce off that pre-market low. Sorry, I mean, I was looking at the wrong chart. TradingView's data no, I wasn't either. TradingView's data must be a little off this morning. My charts are showing different data. Or maybe I just need to close one out and restart them. Let me restart these real quick. Give me 1 second.
You can go for today, guys. 1 green, 2 red trades.
0 for 1 today, Mr. Gene. Oh, mom is right. Kept it really small, but still.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna be leaving. Go for today, Mr. Gene. And go for today, Steamboat. See you tomorrow, guys. Same time.
Alright, Greg, have a good day, man.
You too, man.
Love to see that 750 play out.
Bye-bye.
Love to see that 750 play out. Will it give it to us? I'm not entirely sure, but love to see it play out. How am I seeing Tesla? Whole lot of nothing right now. It's consolidating. No breaks at hourly levels. Not a whole lot in terms of how I trade.
Nine more thumbs up. Let's get it. Yeah, Jake. We're almost there. We just need like 2 more thumbs. Oh, we're there. Appreciate you all. You are the best.
It's also a short week, so I know that my edge typically is not in those. It's also Monday, so I got 2 forces working against me. We'll see. As far as my higher probability setups go, I'd love to see 750 area. Down to 730 for a bounce. Any trades yet, Gene? Or red to start the day? That's okay. Only, depending on entry, 12, 13 points.
Price action's horrible, to be honest, you two. See if we can get some actual movement here. We have the 30-minute range in at least. Sure, something's up with my trading view data. Two of my charts are showing different levels. I have to work on that.
Let's pop up to 8:30. I'm going to try shorts one more time. One more time with stops above 847. If you get above 30.
Dang, I was watching for a bounce.
Try to. Whoops. Oh, we gotta do this. Okay.
I'm gonna be honest, I like longs here, everyone, but Jadon said he's
Try a small piece of shorts, everybody.
Jadon said he's trying shorts, so I'm not gonna go against him. It could print. Usually when that happens, I'm like, okay, you know, we see different things, so I need to set this out, reevaluate.
Come on, give us a move below 800. That's what I want to see.
But I wanted my longs to be a little higher. I wanted to get back above that pre-market. We did close. We closed above my zone on my weekly watch list.
A lighter size again.
I don't know.
The idea here is if you're on screen shares, we got our
Still like
50% retracement here in the midline. Pre-market low here. So we break above pre-market low at 850. I'll just be wrong. I'll be flat out wrong. If this ends up being the lower high in the day, then get a nice move. I don't love this wick we're seeing in the 5-minute, but it's worth a try with small size to me.
All right, I'm gonna mute that for a second while I focus. See, Jadon did try shorts. I'm currently not in a trade. I was looking more for long entry. He likes shorts. I hope he's right because he's got some money in the game. I do not. I figured we could possibly 50% retrace this before continuing on. Anytime another admin's enters, you know, shorts or something while I'm looking at longs, a lot of times it's just better to set it out.
Trim up that risk.
Did you ask me a question, Jadon?
Yeah, I was asking if you had anything you liked so far. Have you seen anything setting up?
No, I don't really like it. I was looking for a long entry, but if you see something different here, I definitely don't want to do that.
Oh, you go. If you see a long bro, take it. I don't care.
That previous 5-minute candle wasn't the strongest, so.
There's lots of people that just trade with you too. So if you see something, I don't care if you fade me, bro. If fade me, I hope you're right.
Yeah, it's not enough confirmation though. So.
I just looked at it from a perspective of we have our midline, pre-market high, or pre-market low, excuse me. So if we break above that, it's my final shot at shorts. Our daily trend so far has been lower. So if I can put on a little risk, try to catch the lower high, I'll do it.
The only reason I even considered it was just a level from my weekly watch list. The demand I have.
Yeah, you see it, like it, take it, bro. Won't hurt my feelings.
There'll be plenty more trades. I'm just gonna be patient.
Got NFP on Thursday too. It's non-farm payroll week, short week, and it's a Monday.
We also got to think about this. How many times does the market sell off before the 4th? The week of the 4th.
Not often. This fricker is gonna go stop me, isn't it?
What'd you call it?
Still not even. If I lose this again, it won't be over $1,000, but still, just annoying. If it does. Volume on that last candle, I would have cut it early had it been a little higher, but just wasn't. Still hanging on for dear life. It's looking like it's gonna hit my hard stop though. Yep. Gosh dang it.
It's looking like to me it's gonna be a chop day, everyone.
Still not over 1,000, but 19 points and 12 points. It's just 31 points on the day. The red. That is annoying. Well, no more shorts for me, guys. Until we break that 15-minute low, no more shorts for me.
This candle doesn't have the volume up.
So you can see, try to catch that lower high. Didn't work out. Hold below 50% retracement in the midline. Or in pre-market low, excuse me.
No, I haven't taken a trade yet, Team Bull. I'm just waiting. If we confirm above this 30-minute range, though.
Is what it is. Is what it is. Get what you get. You don't throw a fit, right? You manage your risk and move forward. Got 15 points out of that. Just wasn't enough to trim. Wasn't my 1-to-1 for at least 19.
You know, people have edges in the market, you know, during certain market types. And towards all-time highs, that's where mine comes back in. Or during the
I swear, if that really went
last 4 years previous to this one, whatever you want to call that.
It'll be salty.
This candle's interesting. Still not going to have enough volume to give me any input though.
We get here higher volume, higher body up. Yeah, no more shorts for me, guys. Not yet. You'd have to, if I'm for my third and final trade, if it was a
one thing this year has taught me is patience.
plus.
More so than ever.
Either 2 small losers and done. Hopefully 1 medium-sized winner with good risk reward. We can get 1-to-1, 30 points. Get close to break even or above. Or we hit max loss.
Greg had 1 winner this morning. That's about it. Honestly, it's a Monday on a short week. I mean, what can we expect? We're gonna trade light size.
Lost the first 2.
And be extra picky with our trades.
And then bang to the third.
See how well we're respecting the top of my zone for my weekly watch list?
That is correct. The day reminder to size up and make back those morning losses. Not quite.
How strong is the demand is the question. Do we fall through it? We'll see. The way the market looks this morning, I know my zone's right here, but I like right at the bottom for a possible bounce area.
Flush now.
2 zones close together, but I'm watching it.
Salty.
And this volume, even on this candle, so far, is not enough to tell me shorts or longs.
No, I see it, Big Zo. It sucks. What? I swear, y'all do it to me now. I'm gonna be salty, bro. Bruh.
Any questions, YouTube? Now's the time to ask them while we're waiting. Sure.
See, in a traditional sense, you look at this, it looks like we got a nice bear flag forming, failure above the 50%. I'd love to see a short entry and move, flush this trend down. I just can't. Not without confirmation.
Just watching volume in this price action right now, Alex. Just basic stuff. YouTube, what are you all thinking about this price action? Give me your thoughts. What you're waiting for. Let's make this learning live. So let's hear it. Yeah, sideways right now, right? I think we all can agree. So he says one guy interested is gonna moon. I'm not for sure which way we're gonna go here, everyone. I don't never know until I see confirmation inside the zones.
Oh my gosh. This freaking market, bro.
But even the volume on this candle, J-Don, we'll see. We'll see what it's gonna do.
What are you looking at?
I don't see anything right now, sideways.
I'd love to see us go to oil day. Not sure what'll happen, but
Oh, yeah, take profit is now end of day drawdown. I just reading the email. So right now is the time, YouTube, if you're gonna try take profit to get funded for futures, now's the time. It's 40% off on all new test accounts. Plus it's end of day drawdown now. So go to grizzlytrades.com, click on them, and use code Grizzly. I just got the just read my emails. That's huge. So now is the time. Looks like we're gonna have close to the same amount of volume here. Let's see. Got a couple minutes. It's the Pro Plus accounts. Right. On the Pro Plus accounts. The 40% off is not always though. You can turn it on or off, Alex. So real quick, YouTube, while everyone's still here, if you're a Grizzology subscriber, I released a new user guide in the WAP community. So the Grizzology has a chat, learning place, all that. So check out the learning tab. You'll see the user guide. Read it. Very detailed.
Higher volume, wake up. So sure about that. Let's see.
Previous candle did have a little higher volume, everyone. We could see the move here. Well, I'm not in a trade. I'm just spectating.
Elmo needs to put in overtime. I'm sick and tired of Elmo just sitting around slacking. Almost sold in May and walked away. Guess so.
I don't trust shorts. Grisology's wants to confirm so bad it can't stand it, but
Hal says, screw your cuts.
we'll give it a little while longer, YouTube. See if we can't catch a trade together. If you all see set up, bring it to my attention. We'll talk about it. Decide if it's the best decision. Might as well use all the minds together here, right? Take advantage of this.
EPA is not it. Still just over 2 for me.
That candle looks
See, for
nice.
example, now on our screen share, as you can see, if we would have higher volume on this candle, aggressive buying, I would have looked for a pullback and a longs entry. We don't have that though, so.
But we're still below this pre-market low and VWAP. No trade to be made here, everyone. I'm gonna practice what I preach, patience. That candle look good. Could we possibly push up here? Yes. But we're still below VWAP and pre-market low. No, definitely not looking for shorts. Shorts has never been on my radar this morning. Has not been on my radar at all. Any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. Just want to say I appreciate you all for showing up every morning. Sometimes it is easy. You know, we have bad days. Sometimes all we can do is, pick ourselves up. But you all show up, and I see it. So keep going. Yeah, Luke. No, it doesn't, Patrick. Not that it's wrong, Patrick. It's just not my trading style, stuff I look for. Appreciate that, Sherwood. Volume, nothing interesting here.
Don't.
What are we watching, Jay? Don't anything?
Man, I don't know. I'm not gonna call it yet, but. For 2 in the day, so I gotta be picky on my final trade. If I would have had full size on the first trade, it would have been done, but cut it early in lower size. So I'm for one more. If we see something A+. If I don't, I'm just gonna call it red on the Monday. I still like the downside. I just keeps faking me out, man. Got a Fed speaker right now too. Fed speaker, short week, Monday. I mean, I had everything lined up against me, bro.
Perfect time to ask questions, YouTube. No trades to be made right now.
You got any plans for the 4th, Grizzly Glock?
Not really, man. May grill out, but the 4th of July, I mean, I love what it stands for, but it's not my favorite holiday. People keeping me up half the night with fireworks for a week.
No, fun fact, until I really got my money right, I would never buy fireworks. So I thought to myself when I was really trying to come up, I was like, why am I lighting my money on fire? Not saying that was the best course of action or that you should do that. I'm just saying for anyone trying to get your money up, if you're trying to save, go watch someone else blow up their money. There's plenty of fireworks shows. There's plenty of people that are willing to blow up their money. That wasn't me when I was on my way up. Seriously, I was trying to save every dollar. I was like, I ain't lighting my money on fire. I'll watch you blow your money up, turn it into pretty colors. I'm good. You feel me? Gosh, I want to go short again so damn bad. So what day? 795, 820. Here's the deal. If we get one more pop up, it's the last thing I'll look for. I'll let you guys know if I enter. Look for one more shorts entry. If we break above 54, it would be invalid. I'd like to see a low a day if we get that entry closer to 30.
Yeah, Michael, I do. They're always shooting fireworks. For a week solid around the 4th, you hear fireworks every night. In Tennessee, it's just like people go crazy with it.
One last try on this pop-up. I'm testing shorts, guys. One last try.
Jadon said he tried shorts.
This is my final trade for the day.
I'm not taking it. I hope it prints for
Tested
him.
shorts on that pop-up. Better entry. Would be above 30, but...
Luke, you have no idea the stuff I used to do with fireworks. We was wild kids.
There.
I got shot in the eye with a Roman candle once. I'll never forget that.
Final trade.
Luckily, it was shut.
I will be logging out. I mean, it ain't even like that, Andrew. We've kept it small, so I'm below my max loss. Over 10 points so far, but we need more of this. I want low a day. I want low a day out of this trade, guys. I want an aggressive move to the downside. 20 points so far, almost. There we go. Come on, give us it below 800. 20 points so far, but one below 800.
Are we gonna get to any levels I actually like?
Damn wicks. Am I up? No, I'm not up. It's been chopping for sure. Hard stop was at 54, but we may put it lower now. We'll see. I mean, I would never raise it up from my hard stop area like that at 30 points. Or a little less than 30 points, actually. About 26 points. I'm gonna put my stops back at break even, guys. I'm gonna put them down to break even. So worst case, well, at 1 point. So you know what? I am gonna take off a few down here at 10. Down Nick 10. Just took a few off.
Oh. About bedtime.
Stops are at break even, guys.
Not really. I can't nap. I feel like
Stops
I could.
are at break even.
But if I went and laid down, I would not go to sleep. Just lay there and waste time.
Well, just about break even. 828. I know that candle. 828.25. These fuckers, man. Just ping me again. Got one baby trim off. But still. Got it just about one to one. Still, we'll take it though. Small green, well, baby green. Still red in the day. Let's make that very clear. Got one trim off down there, but I'm still red in the day. So, just can't get followed through my moves. Monday's 1, J Dunn 0. That is right.
The reason I'm not confident in this,
small winner.
Elizabeth, we're inside.
I'm gonna call it small.
Let me mute this where I can talk for a second. The reason I'm not confident in the sell signal here on Grisology, it could print, right? I'm not trying to doubt it, but we're still inside this 30-minute range for one, and we're inside my supply that I created myself from the weekly watch list. That's why I put that out as often as possible to help you all, when situations like that happen. So. Grisology is about to get a revamp though, so we've had some nice updates, but this next one's gonna be a little extra. I have made some insane contacts the last month, everyone. Some big people in the bots and indicator world, so. I'm gonna have to travel a little more, get out of the house a bit, but it's okay, it's worth it. Demand, yeah, demand. Demand zone. You all know what I'm talking about. Every time I doubt Grisology, though, it usually proves me wrong, so we'll see if it does today. How's everyone doing, though, so far on this Monday? It is a Monday after all. How are we feeling? You all glad it's a short week or what? They do want to push it a little lower. How low? I don't know. I'm starting to think YouTube, we might just should walk away this morning. Price action's not it. I don't want you to lose money because of a trade with me. I haven't taken a trade. I haven't lost any or made any today. So I think the best route we can take, we watch this 15-minute range if you plan on trading after you're done here. Watch, sorry, the 30-minute range. See if we can catch a trade off that. But other than that, I say we wait till tomorrow, right? Better to, not take a trade than take a bad one, lose money. So that's what I'm going to do. I will be live on here. So appreciate you all, and see you tomorrow.